Today we will be creating a blue and pink eyeshadow look. And first I am gonna prime my eyes using a concealer. Here I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural. I am simply using the applicator that came along with it. Then I will spread the concealer using my finger. I will dab it in around my eyes. You can also use a concealer brush to spread it. After that, I will be using the eyeshadow banana dream loose powder to set the concealer. Then I will take this soft blend the concealer under fluffy eyeshadow brush using beauty blender. After that, I will set the concealer using W7 Banana Dream Loose Powder. You can use any loose powder you want. Then I will take this soft brown shade in a fluffy eyeshadow brush. I will add it as a transition shade. I will keep adding color until I am satisfied with the pigment. Then I will take this soft pink shade from Beauty Glaze Gorgeousme palette. I am using the same brush to apply it. I am kind of blending it with the brown shade. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow properly, otherwise your eyeshadow will look patchy. Then I will take this blue shade from the palette. I will use a eyeshadow brush. The brush I am using is kind of a fluffy flat brush, I guess. I don't know. I will apply it on the outer corner of my eyes. I'll spread it a little bit in. Then I will take this dark blue shade from the same palette. I will use the same brush and apply it on the outer V of my eyes. I will kind of define the crease with this shade. I am also blending it with the eyeshadow I have used before. After that, I will take this pink shade from the same palette. I will be using the same brush and I will apply it in the middle of my eyelid. Make sure to clean your brush before adding different color. I will smoothly blend it with the blue shade. As you can see, I have also added some blue shade on the inner corner of my eyes. I really love the mix of pink and blue. It kind of creates a soft purple shade which gives the eyeshadow a really good blended look. Then I will apply a little bit of this concealer. Here I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer in shade Natural. I am using a flat small eyeshadow brush and I will kind of create a little cut crease on the inner corner of my eyes. It's not really half cut crease, it's a little bit of cut crease. I don't know how to explain it. After that, I will set the concealer using the same powder. I am using an eyeshadow brush. Then I will take this rose gold shade from the Beauty Rose Gold palette. Here I am using a pencil brush to apply this shade on the inner corner of my eyes. I will kind of blend it with the pink shade. Then I will blend the edges using a blending brush. After that, I will add a little bit shimmer on the pink color using my hand. For my eyeliner, I will be using W7 liquid liner. I will draw a thin line and a little bit of wing using the liner. I will also apply some liner on my lower lash line, and I will blend it using a pencil brush. Then I will take this pink shade from the same palette. I will apply it under my eyes. And then I will use a white liner on my waterline. I will add multiple layers to deepen the shade. After that, I will curl my lashes and apply mascara. Here I am using Bob's mascara. You can use any mascara that's available to you. After that, I will take this rose gold shade from the palette and I will apply it on my brow bone. Then I will apply my lashes, and that's the final eyeshadow look for today. Hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button below the video.